I have possibly just found the easiest way to create user interfaces. We know that creating a user interface is quite tedious and requires a lot of detail to code out properly. This frustration has led to the creation of this new tool called Draw a UI. This is a project that lets you turn sketches into HTML instantly. You can use OpenAI's GPT model to turn your UI sketches into HTML code instantly, right into your browser, which is absolutely insane. Just take a look at this example where the devs are drawing out a UI for a comment section and a review section. You simply drag and drop text, buttons, as well as describing what you want the app to generate, and it simply does it for you. It also provides the code, which is very convenient. You can see right over here that it has basically generated the like, comment, and share buttons, as well as the code for the UI so that you can deploy it into other workflows. This also allows you to customize it afterwards if you do not like it, so that way you're able to get the best generation possible. Now, this is something that is very remarkable, and it's something that is very useful for a lot of people who do not know how to code, or they just want to simply have the process of coding certain things eased off. Now, throughout today's video, we're going to be exploring how to install Drag UI, as well as showcasing some of the capabilities of this project. So with that thought, guys, stay tuned and let's get straight into the video. If you are not a part of our private Discord, you are definitely missing out. We give out paid subscriptions for AI tools for free, guys. You're able to get amazing knowledge, different types of courses, research papers, as well as different networking and consulting opportunities. If you're interested in any of this, definitely take a look at the link in the description below, as it will definitely elevate your AI game. Now, if you guys haven't followed World of AI on Twitter, I highly recommend that you do so you can stay up to date with the latest AI news. And lastly, make sure you guys subscribe, turn notification bell, like this video, and check out our previous videos so you can stay up to date with the latest AI news. Hey guys, I started this new thing where if you want to book a one-on-one with me, you can definitely do so with the link in the description below. I can be giving you my consulting in various different aspects, whether that's AI related, entrepreneurship, and so much more. So if you're interested in this, definitely take a look at the link in the description below. Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video at the World of AI. In today's video, we're going to take a look at Draw a UI, which is a groundbreaking application that leverages the power of TLDraw, as well as the new GPT-4-Vision API. And what this does is that it's able to generate HTML based on the wireframes you draw and give it. This is getting rid of the tedious task of UI design, and it's something that we saw at the start of this video. Another example is where someone's able to leave a review box by simply just laying out the framework for it. You're able to customize it even further by changing the color of the box, or basically making it a little bit more better in terms of making the context a little bit better. You can have it so that it can generate other things afterwards if you do not like the previous generation. This is something that is used through the TLDraw feature, or not the TLDraw feature, but the tool, as well as the new GPT-4-Vision API. But basically, the core functionality of this application revolves on the TLDraw tool, which allows users to sketch wireframes directly on a canvas. Now, this wireframe is oftenly converted into a PNG image, so it preserves the user's conceptual design. Now, the application is seamlessly integrated with the GPT-4-Vision API. This was something new that was released during the dev day, and what this does is that it utilizes the advanced capabilities to interpret the visual content of the PNG image. And through this, it's basically able to generate corresponding HTML code so that you can implement it in other workflows. This is something that we saw at the start of the video, which showcases the demo where you're able to copy the code, edit it further, and have it generated once again so that you can have it perfected and implemented in other workflows. Now, this is something that they're trying to host off a cloud, so if you're interested in this, you can definitely get on the wait list to access it off their cloud hosting. But basically, I'm going to be showcasing how you can install it locally on your desktop, but you're going to need to have the GPT-4-Vision API, so make sure you have that premium account before you start installing this, otherwise it won't work. Now, as you can see, the user-friendly interface as well as the seamless integration with the code is quite unique, and it's something that we've never seen before. After drawing a wireframe, you can see that the current canvas SVG is converted into a PNG image. Now, this PNG image is sent to the GPT-4-Vision API, which is accompanied by specific requirements. In this example, you can see that you're able to give it further instructions to change and configure certain generations. Now, these instructions guide the model to interpret the visual elements and generate HTML code that corresponds to what you want it to actually generate. Now, the returned HTML file is structured with Tailwind at CSS, which is a popular utility for CSS framework. And what this does is that it ensures that there is a modern and sleek responsive design. The key advantage of Draw a UI lies in its ability to automate the translation of visual concepts into functional HTML code. This is not only accelerating the UI development process, but also minimizes the need for manual coding. And this basically makes it accessible to developers with varying levels of expertise. Now, the integration of the GPT-4-Vision API is renowned for its image understanding capabilities. What this does is that it adds a layer of sophistication to the tool, which enables it to comprehend complex visual structures and converts them into code effectively. Now, the developers of this application want to emphasize that this is strictly a demo. It's not intended for production use, and this basically means that you should refrain from deploying it in a live operational environment. Now, this basic disclaimer is specifically highlighting that the absence of the authentication method will basically showcase that you will go broke if you deploy it. So this is one thing that you want to keep in mind before you actually use this application, and if you do intend to use it for production use. Now, for the sake of this video, I do not actually have the GPT-4-Vision API, but I can give you a basic demonstration as to how you can install this. Now, you gotta make sure that you have the GPT-4-Vision API to have this fully functional. Now, what you want to do first is go onto the repository, click on this green button, clone this repository. This is by copying this link, going onto your command prompt, opening command prompt up, type in git clone and paste the link of the repository. Once you have done that, you need to go into the actual folder. This is by typing in cd and putting the project name, which is Draw a UI. Once you have done that, you need to do npm install. Once you have that installed, you need to set up the OpenAI API key. This is through the .env file, which you can set through a couple commands. If you have a Windows computer, you just need to do /set as a command. But if you have, I believe, a Mac OS or Linux, you need to do the export command. Once you have that set, you can have it run, have it started by putting in the npm run dev command, and you're going to be able to see this beautiful UI, and you can get started with Draw a UI. Now, in conclusion, guys, this is a really awesome and groundbreaking approach to the UI development by combining AI to create certain things like this. This will definitely help a lot of people out who do not have the coding background to develop such things. So definitely keep this at the back of your head. This is something that will be developed further. It's a great start to seeing stuff like this being released. So I'll leave all these links in the description below so that you can access it fairly easily. But I hope you enjoyed this video and you got some sort of value out of throughout today's video. Definitely check out the Patreon page if you guys haven't seen it already. Follow World of AI on Twitter, and lastly, make sure you guys subscribe, turn notification bell, like this video, and check out our previous videos so you can stay up to date with the latest AI news. But with that thought, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.